This boat is a 2023. It's a Harris Cruiser Series. It's a 230 cruiser. It's powered by a 175 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard. This one features the DTS system. That's the digital throttle, digital shift. You can see it's the center walk-through, which gives you balanced seating where people can sit on each side facing each other. The helm seat is the Ultra Lux high back helm seat. And you see it has the JL stereo, gives you 6 speakers, the phone charging system, and in the bow is also the balanced seating with the center entry.